It's going to be an epic event all the way in Trelawney, so get your tickets early. Now it has been a very interesting week, so the Intense 5 turn up. Let's go.
Number 5.
Squash, named as leader of transnational criminal gang. Boy, Squash, it's looking real sticky. After being detained earlier this year and his case getting taken over by federal prosecutors, there's another turn of events. Squash has been named as the leader of an international gang. Where did he even get time to do this? I thought we were talking about Big Breeze.
Number 4.
Now watch me whip. Watch me, Nene. We won't be hearing Silento do that live for quite a while. The rapper pleaded guilty but mentally ill to charges of voluntary manslaughter of his cousin, aggravated assault, possessing a gun while committing a crime, and a few others. Well, after all that, he was sentenced to 30 years in prison.
Number 3.
Teyana Taylor and Aaron Pierre. Talk about a hard launch. We heard a few whispers and saw a few pictures, but no real confirmation until this week. First, Teyana threw him a surprise birthday bash, then they piled on the PDA at the BET Awards. Love nicey? Aaron, Pierre, that's Teyana's.
Number 2.
Speaking of the BET Awards, whoever asked Buju if he had any herb on him at the show, come to the front now, cause I have to go right down. Gargamel kept it real player though, and he said, not today, when I not catch me slipping. And finally holding the
Number 1.
spot this week, the BET Awards turn right up. Spice gave us 3 outfit changes, Conscience mashed up the pre-show stage, and Molly did her thing. We saw the Jamaican flags during her performance, but next time, don't leave out Skilly and Shen. Young Thug turned heads for a number of reasons in that mask, and Mariah won her very first BET Award. Hard to believe. Let's just say this year's show was quite eventful. That's it for the Intense 5 tonight. Follow us on IG at TVJ Intense for everything in entertainment. When we get back, Ding Dong will soon forward.